Hello, welcome to Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. Today we're going to be doing Amazon blinds installation. I ordered these blinds first time ever off of Amazon. I had to do the measurements and all that stuff, put it into the places I need to put it in on Amazon. It came, I already had it out of the package. It fits perfect in my window, so I'm happy about that. The quality of the blind looks really good, but today I'm going to show you how easy this will be to install. Like I said, it's my first time. I looked at the instructions, I looked at the hardware that we need, the tools we need, and it's really not that big of a deal. So let's get to installing these Amazon window blinds. Maybe it'll help you out if you're looking at getting blinds installed in your home. So I've already gone ahead and I took off the old brackets from the old blind because can't use them in this installation. These are the brackets that are going to come with these blinds here that I got on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link below this video where you can get the same blinds I went and got from Amazon, and you can check them out if you like them. When you see them up on the window, you're going to say, I like those, I want a pair of those. So if you want, you can use the same vendor I used, and they got lots of great reviews. But anyways, these are the brackets. So I'm going to be installing mine inside the window frame. You can get blinds that are installed on the outside of the window frame. But for this video, it's on the inside of the window frame. That's the way I like the blinds. The instructions don't show you where to measure. I'll show you what I mean. Where to measure to put your blinds. That's okay though, because we can put them anywhere as long as it's equal. They both equally hold the load of the blind. So I figure anywhere between 4 to 6 inches from the sides, from each side, will do the job. And there's a certain way that these brackets go on. So I'll show you really quick. So it's spring loaded here, and this pulls back. So what happens is you put the blind frame into here on an angle, and it clicks up inside here and it locks. So we want this part at the wall, at the window side of the frame, and this on the outside, on this side of the window frame, so that when you click it in, up and in, and then clicks. So that's the way we're going to do it. I'm going to measure, like I said, about 6 inches or 4 to 6 inches from each side in. I'm going to make 2 holes because there's going to be 2 screws per bracket. We're going to just make a small, I'll show you in a minute, we're going to drill holes and we're going to put the screws in. So they give you a package of screws to go with it, and you got these plastic wall plugs. Those are for if you're mounting the blinds on the wall, not for the window frame, because you don't need wall plugs in wood, just screws. And before we get started, for this window blind installation, you're going to need a screwdriver, a pencil, measuring tape, and a drill gun for the inside the window frame install. So we have our measuring tape and our pencil, and I decided I'm going to measure in 6 inches from the side window frame. And we'll mark it there with the pencil, and I'll do the other side. There we go. We measured in 6 inches. Now we're going to take our bracket and we're going to mark the holes. And we're going to put it right on that line. We're going to center it right on that line that we measured in. There, just like that. We got our holes marked. Now we're going to take our screws, and I grabbed a drill bit that is just a bit smaller than the screw because the screw needs some wood to bite into. So just make sure that your drill bit is smaller than the screw that you're using. I'm going to go up there and drill those 2 holes for each bracket right now. So we're going to center the drill in the center of that hole that we circled. It's 1, 2, and I can do the other one here without moving my stool. There, our holes are drilled. Now we can install our brackets with screws. Just remember now, you're at this part where you're installing your brackets. There's a plastic part here that's spring loaded. Make sure it's facing away from the window. First 2 screws are in, we'll just drive them all the way in. Don't over tighten them. It'll be tight to the window frame. You don't have to go crazy tightening them. I'll do this side, and now we're ready to snap our blind into place. So here is our window blind. We went with the white, and you have this thing here, plastic piece here that you can pull the blind. And the blind may be strong, may be hard to pull, or retracts fast. I believe it's either this side or the other end of the blind. You can take the cap off and adjust it. But we're going to put it up there and see what we're dealing with. So we're going to go up on the step stool here, and we're going to put our blind frame into place here. Okay, we got it in place. And then all we have to do is push up and it'll click into place. It's one side, and that's the other side. Everything's even. Now we'll give it a pull down here. And that looks pretty good. And you pull up and it goes back up. Actually, that's a pretty good tension right there. So in the package, this also comes, and this is a handle for your blind to pull it down or release it back up. So we're just going to slip it on. And it should just slide over. Put it in the center, and there you have the handle in place now, and you can close your blind. And that's actually going to block a lot of sun. And then to put the blind back up, you just pull it down a little bit like this, and it'll go up on its own. So I'll bring you in closer so you can see how it fits in there. Like I said, it was so simple. Drilled a few holes and put the brackets up, and then snap the blind right into place. It was that easy, and it looks good. Of course, we got the white. There's different colors to choose from. And put this handle on here, makes it easy. And it's going to be a good blind for the bedroom. So there's the blind in our window right now, and it looks good. And I'll just show you how. See, you just pull on that handle, and there it is again. It blocks a lot of light, and it looks good.